Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler. Today's special is the GM Certified 2018 Buick Regal Sportback Preferred Group, stock number Z9953XX. 13,000 miles, and this Regal comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Ebony Twilight Metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 4-year, 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Seats 5, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Very large trunk with removable privacy cover. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Regal has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges. Leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible. Dual zone automatic temperature control. And this is of course where the backup camera display is. Redundant controls for climate. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices. Large glove box with all materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Regal has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 250 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 32 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.